So we got the top details of the upcoming Motorola Moto G Stylus 2026, which is expected to launch on the 16th of April. I don't know if that's the official release date, but according to online rumors, the device will launch on the 16th. Anyway, like we usually do on the channel, we'll explore its top details, having in mind that the features that I'll share with you guys in this video may not be entirely correct, so please take them with a pinch of salt. Although most of the features that I share on my channel are usually correct, but still, I gotta let you guys know. Anyway, let's quickly explore the top details. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So let's first talk about its design. From the image, you can see the device actually has that beautiful vegan leather finish. The frame is said to be made of plastic. At the back of the phone, the device seems to have what appeared to be a quad camera style layout, even though it's technically a dual camera setup. Yeah, the phone has just two cameras on the back, not 4 or 3, just 2. And the device is also fairly slim at just 8.3 millimeters, and it weighs about 192 grams. And of course, you still get the built-in stylus, which is a big deal if you love note taking or quick sketches. Now, even better, Motorola added IP68 and IP69 ratings, which means the device isn't just waterproof and dustproof, it is also resistant to high pressure water jets. The device also features military grade standard 810H certification, which means it is designed to be able to withstand harsh conditions. Now let's talk about its main specs. So the phone has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 5000 nits peak brightness, which means you could basically use this phone under direct sunlight without any problems. And the resolution is 1220 by 2712 pixels, which is about 1.5K. And finally, the display is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, which is kind of like a letdown in my opinion. Many devices, especially at this price point, packs way more powerful processors. You also get 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage plus micro SD card support. The phone runs the latest Android 16, but Motorola is only promising just 2 major updates. Another huge letdown because many devices at this price point, and when I'm talking about price points, according to the details, the device would cost about 500 euros. So yeah, many devices at this price point gets longer software support. Now in the camera department, the device features a dual camera setup, as I said earlier, led by a 50MP main sensor with OIS support and a 13MP ultra wide angle lens. Video goes up to 4K at 30 FPS, which is impressive. And the selfie camera is 32MP, which also supports 4K video recording. Now, other features includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos. You also get NFC, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.4. The device also features an in-display fingerprint scanner, Face ID, GPS, and other essential navigation systems, and so on. Now, the battery capacity of this phone is quite impressive. It packs a moderate 5200 mAh cell, and it supports 68 watts wired fast charging and even supports 15 watts wireless charging. Now, as I said earlier, the device would cost about 500 euros according to the details. So it isn't cheap. It's a mid-range phone, and as I said earlier, there are tons of mid-range devices at this price point with better chipset and better overall specs. But you're getting stylus support, premium vegan leather design, super bright AMOLED display, wireless charging, big battery, latest Android operating system. But at the same time, the chipset and limited software updates might make some people hesitate, like I said earlier. But these are the details I have for you guys regarding the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2026. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.